Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the gun is safe and stable. You remove magazines, lock the slide back, and physically check the chamber. Once done, mount the slide in a padded vise so it cannot twist. You choose the pusher head that matches your sight and install any thin shims to center the tool. This prevents binding. Make small adjustments to the clamp so the sight sits level under the pusher ram, because alignment controls how smoothly the sight will move. You now set the ram square to the sight shoulder and verify alignment from both front and side views. This ensures force is applied evenly. Then you apply pressure gradually, turn the drive screw slowly or use controlled taps, moving the sight in small 0.5 to 1 mm steps. Make sure to pause and inspect after each increment so you can correct drift. If the sight resists suddenly, stop and recalibrate the tool or adjust the clamp. Because you finish by seating the sight fully and confirming its orientation visually and with a bore alignment method, make micro windage or elevation tweaks as necessary. Once satisfied, clean the contact areas and snug any set screws, applying a small amount of thread locker if the manufacturer recommends it. If you encounter binding at the end, reverse the ram a bit and realign. Do not hammer. Heat can free stubborn sights, but use it sparingly. Excessive heat can ruin sight inserts or metal tempering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.